Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to factory reset the Google TV Streamer 4K device and the voice remote as well. So let's check it out. At some point, we all want to completely reset our electronic devices. We could have several reasons for that. Maybe we started to use the product, but we want to return it back. Maybe we are using the product, but we have plans to sell it soon. Or if you are facing any software issues with the product and much more. By factory resetting the device, we will reset the product to its default factory settings, and that could help a lot. So let's check out how to factory reset the Google TV Streamer 4K and the voice remote. We will go with the main device now. There are two ways to do this. The first method is through the software. We have to switch on the Google TV Streamer, take the remote and then go to all settings. Select this. Then go to system and here go to about. And here we have the option to factory reset. This will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps. Just have to select this and we just have to choose the factory reset option. So that's all we have to do. If we follow this option, it will completely reset everything. The second method is through the hardware. When the Google TV streamer is connected to the TV and powered on, we have to press and hold this button on the back of the device for 10 to 12 seconds. The LED light here should start to blink in yellow color. We can release this button once the LED light turns into plain white color or something. So let's do this. We have to press and hold this button for 10 to 12 seconds. Okay, I'll do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are getting the yellow color. 9, 10. Okay, we are getting like this on the screen. Yeah. So I think we have done with the factory reset. It is showing erasing. After that erasing message, we automatically got restarted. Then we got the Google logo, then the Google TV logo. And after that, we got this start pairing option. We have to pair the remote, voice remote once again and follow the instructions to set up. We already have a detailed setup guide. I'll share it in the description. You can check it out to set up your Google TV Streamer 4K device. Back button and home button at the same time. Yep. As you can see, everything is back to new, back to the default factory settings. We have to choose the language here and do everything. Like it will probably take 5 to 10 minutes, I guess, depending on the options you are going to select. Now to factory reset our Google TV Streamer 4K's voice remote, we have to take the remote and press and hold this mute button and the center select button at the same time. We have to do this for 10 to 12 seconds. And we see this LED white light here blinking. We can release the buttons once the LED light stops blinking. So I'm going to do this. Center select button and mute button. I'm going to press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's all. Now we have to pair the remote once again, or it might automatically get paired sometime. I don't know, but we have to pair it again in my case. Most of the time, even on Google Chromecast devices, resetting the remote control and the device does the job for so many connectivity issues. Next time, if you have any connection issues, you can try this method. And these two methods are officially shared by Google on their support page. They are a bit different than their earlier Chromecast devices, but these are the steps. So yeah, these are the steps to factory reset Google TV streamer 4K device and also the voice remote. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.